Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Discover app account settings and notifications, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer your Discover app account settings and notifications, begin by opening the Discover app on your device. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the settings menu, usually represented by a gear icon. In the settings menu, locate the option for notifications. Tap on the notifications section to view your current notification preferences. Carefully note down your current settings for reference. Next, exit the Discover app and proceed to the new device. Install the Discover app on your new device from the App Store. Open the Discover app on your new device and log in with your account credentials. After logging in, return to the settings menu by tapping on the gear icon. Now, access the notifications section. Adjust the notification settings to match those you noted from your previous device. Make sure to enable or disable options as per your previous preferences. Review all other account settings to ensure they align with your prior configurations. Once satisfied, exit the settings menu. Your Discover app account settings and notifications are now successfully transferred. You can now enjoy a seamless experience on your new device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.